Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how to set up your booking widget. So from the smart keyboard, first go to the setting and then the profile, and in this profile section, in this profile you have to come to the eClinic setup section, and in the eClinic setup go to the booking widget setup. There you have to give a booking fee where minimum is at least 50 rupees. Here I have put 400, so the patient will have to actually pay 440. Then we have to pay a support text. This is important because after the payment the patient is supposed to call your reception, and then you have to give the booking widget a color, and then that's it basically. Then you go to the booking section, and this is the booking widget section. In the booking widget section there are two things basically. One is the copy and paste code that you can put in your website or blog. Okay, this is the iframe setup. You can also have a direct link to go to that page, and you can also send this to your patient directly. Okay, so this is like this: consult me online, and then your booking widget link. All right, so let's view the direct link. This is the eClinic for you, and let's have a look that how does this work. So let's say your patient name is Dipayan. The patient is the patient has to choose a preferred date and time. All right, 8 p.m. let's say. Okay, the patient has to give an email ID, which is optional. The patient will receive a notification and the booking detail if the patient gives an email ID. Then a preferred language, the patient can give any preferred language. Okay, then a phone number, let's just give a sample phone number. Also a WhatsApp number, an additional comment. The patient might write, I am your patient. This is just a sample booking. Okay, so please remember that after that the patient will give the consent and they can review the booking. Please remember that the patient is already paying before the consultation, so make sure that only the patients about whom you are sure that the case can be consulted online, only they should be able to access this booking page. So it is better that you first have a preliminary conversation with your patient, that you are now sure that this patient can be consulted via online, and then only send them the booking link. So this is the booking ID, and the patient can review the booking and click on the pay now button. So the patient can now pay, and if the patient pays just like before, then it will appear in your calendar section, and we are not going to pay here actually, so this will show as a failure. But of course the patient if actually pays, then the transaction status will be success, and that will appear in your calendar, that I am going to show you in the next video. So thank you very much for